The weekend we got 2 airdrops to go and claim, and yes, we're not talking about grass airdrop on today's video, so we jump straight into the laptop. The first one is the Nexus TGE. As we see here, the airdrop is now live. Now keep in mind, this could be a really bad airdrop for anybody in terms of the amount of money that we made, because 1 million token is about $3 to $4. But nonetheless, I will leave the link down below. This is the web page. Come over here, add to wallet, make sure to go and continue with the wallet. For example, the MetaMask wallet, we can go and connect it right here, and we go and see the possibility. You go and switch the network, of course, you go to the Nexus and you do all of them goodies. Not gonna waste your time unless it just goes straight to it. And yes, you simply go and check it out here. Let's verify you're human. I am human. Good. You do all of this, whatever corresponds here. Okay, cool. This is gonna be this one. All right, it's a bit of a, all right, what is this waste of time? It's already a terrible airdrop. Like, what is this waste of time? Nonetheless, we go and do this. So this is how you're supposed to do it. And yeah, you connect it, and then as you see here, I got 0 next. So technically I am not eligible for this one. Okay, well, I will leave the link down below and make sure to go and check it for yourself. Also, yesterday I did open with you live on the video this position over here on a breakout, and I am $9,447 in profit, and I'm gonna go and close it now and showcase you the profit that I make. And how was I able to do it? Well, I opened it over on Breakout. Breakout is a prop firm. I did buy a $50,000 account, which you see right here. You can buy only for $280, $200, depending on which way you want it. So I was trading with $50,000. I only paid $200 for it, and I have already made $9,100 to go and take home. So as we see right here, we're gonna go and close it, close the position, and as we see here, profit has been secure and the account has grown. So you can also do it. The link will be down below. You will get my code as well, and if you insert it, you get even more discount. So go and enjoy it, go and participate, and yeah, on to the next topic. Next up, I do also trade, as you saw before, I trade on Breakout, which is a prop firm, and I was able to make a lot of money on Breakout because of the possibility of a prop firm account, which basically allowed me to go and make $9,000 in profit. But also, I do trade over here on Gravity. Gravity is the next big airdrop, in my opinion, the GRVT airdrop. And as we see here, I am currently, as of Sunday, also long in, as we see here, hype with a 10x over on Gravity. I will leave the link down below. Now, Gravity, compared to Breakout, if you prefer to trade with your money, this is the place. If you prefer to buy an account and trade with $50,000, go to Breakout. But this one is gonna have an airdrop, and with all the trades that we did this week on hype, there is a lot of momentum. We are collecting points, and we are going to go to the to the possibility for the next big airdrop. So, and also, why do I say it? By the way, make sure to go and check over on Gravity. But as we see here, if you go to the perpetual DEX volume on DeFi Llama, yes, Hyperliquid is absolutely bringing it to everybody, but Gravity is right here. Gravity on the weekend is recording about 1 billion, and we have a very nice momentum on Gravity, and that's why I am farming it right now over on the platform. I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and check whatever you want. Another one is the Project X on Hyperliquid. As we see here, it is they did release some points, and they did release some USDC value in terms of airdrops. I will leave the link down below. I'm not eligible for this one, but simply if you ever utilize it, which you could potentially have utilized it. Why? Because it did go and work over on Hyperliquid during the whole hype, the switching, the portfolio, the providing liquidity, and all of them goodies. Well, if you did participate, you could have some USDC reward. So make sure to go and check it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.